Welcome back to Primetime News. Special welcome again to the folks on onespotmedia.com.
A reminder as well that you can download our One Spot Media app in the Google Play Store or the App Store as the number 1 followed by the word Spot and Media.
Former Commissioner of Customs and current Managing Director of the Jamaica Observer newspaper, Daville Walker, has been found guilty of breaching the Contractor General's Act.
The verdict, which was handed down in court this afternoon, also saw the imposition of the maximum fine of $5,000 or 14 days imprisonment. The former customs boss was accused of failing to supply the information to the OCG and obstructing the Contractor General in his investigation of breaches of the 2011 scrap metal ban.
Mr. Walker had filed an application in the Supreme Court challenging the jurisdiction of the OCG to charge him, but the court rejected his case. He also lost in the appeal court.
The Contractor General had ordered him to submit documents regarding 90 shipments of scrap metal during the 2011 ban on the trade. However, Mr. Walker claimed that he was not given enough time to respond to the OCG when allegations began floating that customs had breached the ban.